I don't know if you guys heard that, but that lady on the bike just said, "Stupid car, ha ha ha." Guys, in today's video, we are going to be heading to SR Auto Design in Quincy because we are going to be changing the color of this bad boy right here. We got another 10 more miles to go, 15 minutes, and I'm excited because it's going to be a very good color that I think you guys will like as well. So we have the wrap coming up, which we're going to be dropping off the car today. Probably going to take about 5 to 7 days for them to completely finish wrapping the car, and then we have 2 more mods coming. And honestly, I probably could have timed the modifications better, but it is what it is. And sorry if I sound a little bit sick, it's because I'm coming down from a cold right now, so apologies for sounding a little bit nasally. Alright, we just made it to SR Auto Design. I'm gonna check inside with the boys and then I'll come right back.
Fly me out to Paris, I'm the baddest. I just want the money I can manage. Bust me down, I want a ring with the carrots. They know I'm the one, that's why they scaring. Fly me out to London or some thong. I don't want your man unless he know to put his thumb in. Apple bottom jeans looking dumb. They just told the DJ run it back.
Alright, so we just dropped the car off at SR Auto Design. Basically, they're just gonna unwrap the car, then prep it for tomorrow. We'll come back and we'll see how the car's doing. So for you guys, it'll be 2 seconds. For me, it'll be a full day. See you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna be revealing the car to you guys right now. And I just wanna give a special thanks to SR Auto Design in Quincy, Massachusetts for allowing me to see some behind the scenes stuff and how they actually wrap the cars. Because that's something that I'm pretty interested in. If you guys are interested, I will be leaving some kind of like behind the scenes footage at the end of this video after the reveal for those of you that are interested, so you guys can go ahead and watch that. But without further ado, and there you guys have it. This color is called Ghost Purple. So I think it's only right to give this car a name. Maybe we should just call it the Purple Ghost. One of the key things that drew me into this color was not only does it look super nice and deep when you look directly at it, but if you look at it to the side, you get some reds kind of mixed into it. And I wish I could show you guys more, but today is a very cloudy day. You can easily see it more in the sun. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that lady on the bike just said, "Stupid car, ha ha ha." So yeah, not everyone is gonna like it. I like it, and that's all that matters. We also wrapped the door handles and the mirror caps.
Hello, I said something mean about your car, but I didn't mean for you to hear it.
Oh, it's okay, no worries. It's not everyone else's taste, it's fine.
No, but it was, I realized, I was driving away, I'm like, that was a jerk thing to do.
Oh, no worries. She came back and she apologized. But honestly, I don't care if people don't like it because I like it and that's all that matters. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you guys like the new color just as much as I do. And for those of you that made it to the end of this portion of the video, thanks for watching. And I know I've been absent on YouTube for a really long time. I plan on making more content for you guys on YouTube. just like that, the door is like 80% done. So for the people that are on the fence for wanting to wrap their car, what would you tell them?
Yeah, why not? Why not do it?
And it's also cheaper than just repainting the whole car too.
Oh yeah, for sure.
What would you say for like the maintenance wise? So like after this car is done getting wrapped?
Don't wash your car for the next 2 weeks, and don't ever go on those drive-through wash. You know, like that's a red flag if you go to that.
Yeah.
Ones. Even though you don't have a wrap, you should.
Especially as a car person too.
Yeah, exactly. You should never go to those.